I'm going to Keralam, and with me, Mukulji and Ajayji both are coming. So we have called all the MLAs in the evening, and we will do. There are a lot of formalities. We have to do that. So let me go there, and if there is anything, we will answer from Keralam only.
मैम शपथ ग्रहण कब होगा या
That is not yet been finalized. That is what I am saying, that there are a lot of formalities. We have to decide many things. Let us reach there and meet the MLAs, and we will obviously formulate.
मैम क्राइटेरिया क्या रहा सिलेक्शन का 10-11 दिन से क्या क्राइटेरिया रहा वीडी सतीशन
We have authorized CP and Rahulji. Whatever decision they have given, we have just only, I have said that.
राज्यपाल से मिलने का समय
एमएलए
मांगा
का
है
सपोर्ट बताया जा रहा था कि केसी वेणुगोपाल के पास सबसे ज्यादा एमएलए का सपोर्ट था 45 एमएलए केसी वेणुगोपाल के साथ थे
Decision has been made. Whatever decision High Command has taken, we all stand with that.
that you could avert a situation like could have developed in Karnataka. Is that the reason why VD Satish has been chosen?
I have no clue. I think better High Command can answer these questions. We have only, the decision has been conveyed by me.
So you think it's going to be easy for all the camps and all the groups to work together now in Keralam?
Yes, yes. Everyone will stand by the party because Keralam, our Congress organization, is very strong, and all the MLAs are very strongly. They have fought, and not only Keralam, but not only Congress party in the Keralam, but yes, UDF together as a team. And I think everybody will stand with this.
But also there was this feeling that Mr. K.C. Venugopal has a large number of MLAs with him. What clinched it in favor of Satish?
That I cannot say. There are a lot of discussion amongst the leaders. That is what I said in my statement. There are discussion with all leaders also. They have discussed with many other people. So I think the decision, it has come from the High Command, and we are all standing with that.
शपथ ग्रहण कब तक होगा?
I have no clue. I am now going to Kerala only. From here only I am going there.
Ma'am, you are going. Are you going to this?
No.